Hey, what up? JB back again. I just got something little from Bojangles. Got a wing special. And I got some dirty rice. Here's my dog. Faithfully. Oh, now you want to walk away. Mm-hmm. Right. Stay away then. I can go to this side too. Yeah, that's the culprit. But anyway. What to talk about? I don't know. I'm not hungry. I don't know. Do I have some French fries? How some? I do like them. Anyway. Crunchy. I'm uploading my intro video as I eat. I'm looking at dinner. I mean, diner, drive-ins, and downs. Got Fieri. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I was hungry, but I don't like to eat too much at nighttime, so I just get something a bit. We'll be cooking. If I can, I might get the spring roll ingredients tomorrow. Tomorrow. When I get acclimated or comfortable with filming, I have to see my food real good. That's right. I do my godson and I hit my elbow. No. That's right. But yeah. Let's get a topic before I finish eating. I guess this just gonna be talking about my love life, but I will say that I hate females out here to settle. And let me tell you why. Cause I know you like, I know it don't happen to you. Yes, that's why I hate it, because I grew up. Got smart, and see I'm not doing it no more. I'm working, got my own car, paying my own bills, and I'm about to deal with a fuck nigga. No, no, that's not what I deserve. You learn from your mistake. That's exactly what I did. I ain't got time for it. Me, personally, I'd rather rock solo until I find somebody that can give me what I want, because, like I said, I'm not selling for anybody. No more bone. It's too small. Man, I'm not selling for anybody. I mean, don't get me wrong. Yes, I'm coming to y'all. That's how y'all know I'm real. The intro and the first eating video, I'm coming to y'all real. Like, makeup. Well, I think I took out makeup. But I took out my eyes. My hair thrown back. I got on this Charlotte Russe t-shirt that I didn't know you ain't supposed to dry. Now it's a crop top. And a bitch got a belly. But it's okay, because I'm rocking it. In the house. Stop. I love them. Kimmy and what's called that? I don't eat like that. And Chunky, she like fucks her food up. Mm. So y'all caught that stain? It's alright. Dribble, get away. Get. Get on. Bye. Looking all sad. Yeah. Man, please know y'all worth. Please, like, I'm gonna give y'all life. I'm gonna come to y'all when I'm all boom. You know what I'm saying? But how he get my Bojangles? I don't know. That's his business. That's when you. Mmm. 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 So good. If you do look at my channel, let me know stuff you want me to eat. And then, disclaimer about me, I eat. But don't talk about my stain. I do eat. But I can't eat large quantities like most mukbangers, whatever it's called. Now I eat. And by the time when I start doing like 20, 30-minute videos, or I eat out my food, I'm just gonna be stopping a lot because I can't eat like that much in one sitting. The way my body's set up, it ain't gonna happen. But yeah. Yeah. So, but yeah, just know your worth. Because these women that stay in these relationships because you think you gotta have somebody, buy. Go buy you a toy. Take your ass up in your room. Put on some either Loot Base or Luther Vandross. I know you want to throw your ass on a circle beat, or you want to, if this world were mine. I know you want that lovey-dovey. Either one, them L's will get you right. I don't play with a nigga because he got good stroke game. And my weakness, I don't know what my weakness was, but I've been delivered. Hallelujah. But you can't treat me like I need to be treated as a woman, and I'm on my shit. I'm not one of these women just sitting up here in welfare lines and having babies out the ass. Talking about, oh, that's $200 on my food stamps, or girl, tax season, we about to turn up. No, I'm out here and I'm really working my taxes. Uncle Sam is really raping my paychecks. He raping them. And then he give me a little bit back at the beginning of the month. But I'm not pawning off no child for no paychecks. Let me say that. Never that. I have no child for no paycheck. Even when I do have kids, I'm still gonna be working. But if I ever fall into a bind, yes, I will get assistance. But I'm not gonna have a kid off the bat like, yo, I'm about to get food stamps, gotta get WIC. That's assistance. And I'm speaking on this because you know what? I used to work at this establishment like that. I work for the county. I'm not telling you which county I'm staying in, but I work for them. This assistance is for if you fall on hard times. That's what it's for. It's not for you people that I ain't gotta work. I can get a work first check. I can get this, and I can. And then us, the ones that's actually working, getting up early as hell, getting off late as hell, dealing with BS from coworkers, bosses. Not saying nothing about mine, just cause y'all looking. Love y'all. Glad I got y'all. But you complain about all this other stuff, but it's like Y'all taking our money. Money we putting in the pot. The taxes they take, that's cutting your check every month. You know that, did you? Right. So, you're welcome. Eat up on JB. Yeah. I paid for that meal you're eating right now. Them crab legs, you think you balling because you cooking it for Babe? They been sitting on his ass all day, scratching his balls, ain't clean up the house? You're welcome. I did that for you. No problem. You know, I like to look out for the cookout, but I like to be invited to the cookout too that I looked out for. But that's okay. Maybe later. Anyway, I just believe in pulling your weight. Shit. You think I want to go to work every day, get up early till and stuff like that? No, but I gotta do it. Because I need health care. I want to get my nails done. I want to get a little cute shit. I want to buy cute little outfits that I have. Yeah, I want to do that. But that's just me. Call me crazy. But anyway. Alright, well, I am full. I only had 2 wings and a little bit of dirty rice. I'm trying to eat a little bit more. It's so good. You know, but this is my last bite because I'm full as hell. Had to put the top on the counter. Pop this bitch. Y'all can. It's kids could be watching. Really? I said I had a godson. Like, alright, well, it's just a little sneak peek on how I eat and conversation we'll be having. And we will come back to conversation because we gotta do better, ladies. We gotta do better. Don't let these niggas hold us down. Let them walk. You gotta do better. Can't let a nigga bring you down, especially if you got kids. No, it's all about your kids, no longer about him. And he should know that too, that it's about his family. But unfortunately, we do have fuck niggas out here. We do. So, we try to, you know, pray for them and, you know, email Joel Osteen and crap all about them. But sometimes, you know, shit happens. Alright, well, I'm about to finish looking at my diner, drive-ins, and dives. I'm about to go. It's Friday, and I'm in East Department in the house. This is my life. There's too much going on. First of all, I ain't trying to get my ass beat by nobody, no cop. Second of all, I ain't trying to get robbed by no nigga for shit that I work for. Third of all, my godson with his grandma, so I can't be over there harassing him. Because I will be giving him kisses. Alright, well, 13 minutes, I think I did pretty good. Hopefully next time I'll be making spring rolls. I'm gonna go look up a recipe. I saw Chunky do it, but I'm gonna look up an H Mart. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go because I'm full. About to give me my water in there. Alrighty, well till next time. Talking with JV, Jelly Bean Love.